Back in the 80s, I watched how the game really worked. Pushers gave out plenty of credit, no problem. You got the product, you felt like you were on top of the world. But it was a trap. Once they knew you were maxed out, once you couldn't crawl out of the hole, that's when it was time to pay the piper. And paying the piper didn't mean writing a check. It meant handing over everything you owned. I saw guys give up car titles, business titles, even their homes. It usually ended up in a broken family and a divorce. It was crazy times. I wasn't involved with it, but I saw it from the sidelines. One boss I worked for threw a big party on his last day. Music, food, drinks flowing. We got a message saying, come into the shop at 1 o'clock. I was an electrician at the time. We came into the shop. There was this giant party. And we thought we were celebrating for something. We didn't have any idea, but he hands us our checks. And, we found out the truth. He wasn't celebrating. He was shutting down. He lost it all. It all went up his nose. Every dime, every tool, every piece of his business went to this pusher. The pusher foreclosed on him. They told him, we want your business or we'll kill you. And he took the easy way out, or I guess the safe way out. I don't know if he still got to have it. I don't know how long he lived after that, but I know it was a shock to us. But that's how fast the high turned into a nightmare. And here's the scary part. That's exactly where America is right now. Have you looked around? Have you seen the inflation and the debt that we have? We've taken the credit, bought the cheap imports, took our businesses overseas. We let China supply our transformers, our medicines, even our food. We're high on convenience, high on comfort, but we're maxed out. There's no more credit. Sooner or later, the piper's going to come. Only this time, it's not only one guy losing his business, it's our whole country losing its future. And what do we have left to hand over? Our land, our sovereignty, our freedom? We can't dredge for gold in California because the rumor is that California wants to hand it over to the Chinese when they make some kind of partnership going. The way things are going with the government of California, I wouldn't be surprised. Think about it. We don't even build our own transformers anymore. Okay? One backdoor password or one rifle around into a substation and the grid's gone. No lights, no fuel, no food. We'd be thrown back to the Daniel Boone days overnight. And just like those poor guys I saw in the 80s, we'll be standing there broke, wondering how we didn't see the trap we walked into. Partly because there's corporate greed and partly because we're just kind of blind. That's why I prep. Because I know the party always ends. It always ends. The piper always comes. And I'm not about to hand over my family's future because this country got greedy and blind. So here's my question for you. When the lights go out and the bill comes due, what do you have in place to keep your family going? Drop it in the comments, because when that day comes, it won't be theory anymore. It won't be a rumor or a conspiracy theory. It'll be survival. And those who prepare will be much better than the ones that are scrambling to survive. Hopefully you're one of them. Patriot 0 out.